Natsu no Tansei, Seven Deadly Sins, 106, The Bayless Power Eye. In short, some Holy Knight apprentice, three of them wanted to fight the the sins, and that's why Meliodas said objection. And after we learned that Hawk has earring, that is Baylor's power eye, and with that he can see strength, power, strength, and spirit from some person, and this is just like Dragon Ball Z with when Vegeta comes with on the eye, that thing, and he measures the power of them, and the whole chapter was about this. And after the one guy once fights with Meliodas, and Meliodas whoops his ass, and nothing that exciting, same old stuff, and only this new thing with Hawk. Hawk is going to be like in the I think in a future he's going to be like some scout, like that. He's going to, you can fight this guy and not this guy, and something like that. And we learned that Meliodas is very strong, but we learned before he is 3,370, I think. Chapter was okay, but we want the next arc. I think we are still between two arcs, and that's all. Tell me, what are your thoughts about this chapter? Will some what do you think? Who is Meliodas? Is maybe the most powerful one, but from sins. But how uh, how how do you think the other sins are strong? Who is who is uh, below Meliodas? Who is the weakest ones? That's all. If you like this review, give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks. Bye bye.